Okay guys, we are at a local antique shop down in Poplar Bluff, Missouri. We've got Francis with us today. We got Bigfoot over here. We're gonna go in and we're gonna check it out, see if there's anything cool that we need to buy. I do like this bull barbecue pit, the anatomically correct bull barbecue pit. Holy crap, that thing, don't be looking at that. Look at the Sasquatches though, those things are freaking awesome. Those are so cool. They got little Sasquatches and they got the big ones. That's pretty awesome. I love it. Down this first aisle, they got a bunch of furniture. There's I guess it's antiques and home appliances. I don't know. Here's you some mattresses, Megan. You need you a good mattress? Oh, you could use one of these. Our mattress is pretty old. It's like 20 years old. Yeah. Kind of dark back here in this corner. Kind of dark. $1 booth. I like dollar booths. Look at this. It's a Bob Dole hat.
Oh my gosh.
My name's Bob Dole. You vote for Bob Dole for president? I'm gonna have to maybe get me a $1 Bob Dole hat. A bunch of little bottles.
Yeah. That's a Vaseline.
Oh, an old Vaseline, yeah.
Cheese Bro or something, New York.
New York Vaseline bottles. Here's some of these old smudge pots. Oh, they're 15 bucks a piece. That's a pretty good deal on them. For the old smudge pots. Here's a Fender Git fiddle. How much is it? Oh, it's a Johnson. Looks like a Fender. 100 bucks.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it looks a lot like your Fender.
It does look a lot like my Fender. Some games here for $5 a piece, but I bet you they're already all pick through. Some Xbox games.
There is no way that Cookie Monster is a Cubs fan.
Oh, that is funny.
I refuse to believe that Cookie Monster is a Cubs fan.
I don't know. You know, they're into some weird stuff on Sesame Street anymore. Look at the apple baskets. These are cool. Bunch of old apple baskets. That's cool too. Look at this. Look at this. I love this.
Look at these.
Look at this. Oh my gosh, that is cool. Look at that.
That's cool. I love this one.
This here's 24. That's gotta be worth way more than 24 bucks. Looks like it's repop stuff though. Look at the big cocks. Look at the big chickens. Those are huge.
I love that big sunflower.
That is, yeah, that is. That would be right up your alley.
I love it. That's 60 bucks.
Look at that. Look at that.
Frog is so
150 bucks. This is so cool.
I love them.
Look at the pigs.
The little ones are. I didn't see a price on them.
Right? Look at that for your mom since, you know, she loves me so much.
Right.
There's a goat. Look, it's the Grinch. That's too cool. That is
Look at the
freaking.
dog.
I know, it's the Grinch dog. What was his name? Rex or something? Maybe it ain't that dog. Maybe
No,
it
I don't
is.
think it's him.
No, because he was all white.
What is his name?
These are only like,
Can't think of his name.
that's only like 80 bucks. That's pretty cool.
That is cool.
Look at the pumpkins. Oh, look at the ghosts. Look at the ghost. He's 25. That's too cool.
Look at that one.
I know.
Huge.
He's a big bucking chicken.
$225.
That's a big bucking chicken. That is too cool. Yeah, now she's on to the furniture. That's huge.
It's huge. I love it.
It's a big sectional.
There's plenty of room for all of us on there.
Yeah, because we all sat on the couch at the same time.
Why? If we had one.
Look at the dough, the reproduction dough bowls. Those are cool. A bunch of blue ball jars over here. Look at this Coke display. There's a bunch of milk bottles. I always look. These are only $3 a piece. Man, I can make a fortune on those. Those are all $3 a piece. Huh. Say what?
I didn't say anything. I was sniffing.
You're sniffing? She's a sniffer. Look at the big turtles. They're freaking awesome.
Is that a bulldog?
It is a bulldog. How cool would that be if you had like a big like in-ground pool and you put that out by your pool? That would be... There's a Wrigley Field. They have all kinds of cub stuff here. Oh, there's Beetlejuice.
I noticed it's still here because nobody wants it.
Alright. There's Beetlejuice and a clown. That is freaking awesome. Alright, here's Kansas City Chiefs. Look at the big metal catfish.
Pikachu on there.
Where? Oh yeah, it is. That is freaking awesome. It's a shame he's got some problems. It's freaking cool. That palm tree. Right. That's neat too. That's cool. Got a bunch of EMT stuff over here. It looks like military surplus. Police. Look at that. Baby's cool. Statue. This looks to be all military surplus. I didn't even know. It's all uniforms down there. Rucksacks, more uniforms. Bunch of flags, some rebel flags. Military ribbons. There's a metal detector and a wand. Looks to be about it. Here's some tractors. That Winnebago is awesome. Get you a little Eddie figure and a little hose.
Yeah.
There's a Porsche right there, 911.
Oh, he'd like that too.
He would love that. Okay guys, so we are leaving the Bigfoot metal Army surplus store that we ran into on the highway. That was pretty interesting. I did like the anatomically correct barbecue pit. So hope you guys did too. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. You guys have a good day. God bless.